Alright guys, here's my issue. My issue is I have a student that has emailed a Inventor Part file and an assembly file over. So what I did on this student who received the email is we went to the Citrix server. We tried both the virtual desktop, which would not load Inventor from here, but I clicked the little Citrix button, hit upload, and uploaded the assembly file right here to the desktop. I also did the same thing through here and uploaded it, but did it to the files into their personal My Documents file. So when you go here and you click the Inventor and you open, you can see it in two different places. One is the desktop, you see the file, also shows you what it looks like. Not quite to the correct dimensions, but still they made it. And if we go to the student's name, My Documents, we should be able to find it under, hold on. Well, you can talk, it's not like your voice, I just need them to hear me. Alright, which one is it? Main platform, no, monkey bars, there we go. Monkey bars assembly. But when I click open on it, this is what it gives me right here. It says there's unresolved references. I try to open it, if I hit skip, it goes to the next one. It gives me an unresolved reference, or unresolved reference on every single part. If I skip all, it tells me this. I'm not quite sure how to change that, but basically what it does is it doesn't show me anything on the part. Now, I can go to my browser. Let me pull that up real quick. And your browser shows you all the parts that were there, shows you every constraint that's been made to those parts, but it also says that there's an issue with each one of them. And this happens to most of them when I move files from one to the other as an assembly file. The tri-platform though was a part file, and it's here. So the part files are showing up, but for some reason the constraints in the assembly files are not working when moved from one Inventor to the other on Citrix. So if you have seen this before or have any ideas how to fix it, please email me. If not, we'll just keep working from there. Thank you.